Everybody, this week earlier I said it's time to get serious about your CELPIP exam. No more failures, and one way to guarantee this is by receiving feedback from a CELPIP expert. We have one of our best tutors. She has been teaching CELPIP for more than 5 years, but English teaching for probably more than 12 years. Daniela, once again, taking over this next batch, which is 8 days straight, 2 hours for the first 7 days and 1 hour for the last day. 15 hours of CELPIP intensive classes. This is the most successful crash course you can do before your exam. Finish everything within 8 days. You get practice material, homework, and of course classwork and review from the previous class, as well as feedback on your personal mistakes. Now, this batch has limited slots. You can register easily using the link in the description. Check it out. If you have any questions, feel free to email. Email is in the description as well. info@hzadeducation.com. Comment for any questions as well, and we are going to be filling this up most likely by this weekend. So email us, we'll get you enrolled, get you started. And again, if you're serious about your preparation, don't risk it. Take the help from an expert and get your results.